Issue Resolver. The Issue Resolver offers a different view of the QA check results, where the results are shown in a separate window rather than in the editor itself. As seen in the previous video, we have completed a QA check and have been given the QA results report. Before we discuss the Issue Resolver, let's take a look at how to export this report. In the drop-down menu at the bottom, choose Print this report to Excel. Once the report is ready, you can download it to your computer and open it using Excel. This report is organized by segment and shows all the rules flagged by the QA check. In the last column, you can see specific information about why the segment was flagged. Using Excel's built-in filtration options, you can sort through the results and focus on which issues you deem most important. Now, let's take a look at the Issue Resolver. As stated in the previous video, you can edit and correct each flagged issue individually by working directly in the segments themselves. However, there is another way called the Issue Resolver. In the QA Results report, open the drop-down menu at the bottom, but this time choose Open in the Issue Resolver. You can also do this from the beginning and choose to open the results in the Issue Resolver prior to running the QA check. Since we've already ran the QA check, let's just open the results in the Resolver. As stated before, the Issue Resolver opens in its own window, and like the Excel, it lists the issues by segment. At the top, you see the total number of flagged errors, warnings, and information. To see the additional information about each issue, click Expand All. To open a specific segment, click on it, and you can make changes directly to the target segment. Once you are finished correcting the segment, or if you decide no correction is needed, click on the box next to the segment number and update the status to OK. After applying the new status and receiving the success notification, we can see that this segment is now crossed off the original list. Before you move on to the next segment, the system may ask you to save your changes if the autosave feature hasn't done so yet. While in this view, additional information is provided about the issue that's been flagged at the bottom of the screen. In this example, there are inconsistencies with several other segments. To fix this, we can use the Propagate Translation feature we've previously learned about and fix several issues all at once. Another way to check this issue off your list is to do so directly in the Additional Information portion of the window. Using the Issue Resolver feature allows you to correct and solve each issue individually and check them off your list, as well as make sure that you don't miss anything important. Don't forget to rerun the QA check to be certain that all the issues have been fixed, and when you are sure, don't forget to save your changes before exiting the Issue Resolver.